Please let us also stay for a while.
Oh, come on. This is not your cup of tea.
I will teach them, Kalia.
What did you just say, you damn squib? You will steer a ship? Huh? Have you lost your head?
Paneer, you just saved us all. Yay!
Being's brave army heads on a mission to show their true blue might, to show their true blue might, to save the islands of Valhalla.
Bhim, the crown of Valhalla.
Come, Vanir.
Is first mate Vanir feeling scared, huh?
Beam, those pirates can be back. I'll keep a watch from the ship.
Good decision, Vanir.
Such a coward.
The crown of Valhalla should be somewhere over there.
Wow! Hey guys, isn't that really beautiful?
Come on, friends. Let's go and get Fenrir's crown.
Beam, what is happening in the water?
Beam! Look at them!
Isn't that Prince Fenrir's father?
Looks like it's his spirit.
Hey, pirates! You would never be able to reach that crown.
Your Majesty, we are not pirates.
And you expect me to believe you? I used to believe in my brother. And look what he did to us. No, not anymore. Attack them all!
My goodness, these ghosts are like chilled ice candies.
Leave him! Leave my friend, I say!
No more lies! Only the pirates run away like rats!
Yeah.
Beam, take this sword!
My lord, please believe us. With the strength of Pearly Crown, they got to turn the curse now.
No pirate could have defeated us like this. Whoever you may be, please don't let it fall in wrong hands.
Please wait. Gabby go. Gabby go to always sleep in the jungle. Who is this singing in the jungle? Who could it be? Did you like it? It was me singing. What? Yeah. I am new in this jungle. Gabby Goat is who I am. Always singing, dancing I am. Joy and frolic my friends live in the jungle. They all live. Oh, you're so cute. If Jaggu gets to meet you, he'll be very happy. Will you come with me? Raju, if you didn't go to Jaggu's house, then where did you go? I was on my way to Jaggu's house when...
A goat that can talk.
I will go and look for her.
Why will you look for her? She's my friend, okay?
So what, Raju? Even I will make friends with her. But where has that goat disappeared?
Come on, let's find her.
Everyone, old and young, one and all. Any one of you ever imagined in your life that you would see a talking goat one day? Yes, you can. Today at the theater. Come to watch Gabby Goat for sure. Come for sure. Come for sure.
Gabby Goat on show at the Dholakpur Theatre? This man was going on as if the goat belonged to him. Something isn't right about this.
Only that goat can tell us what's right or wrong. Come on.
Now come on. Eat this quickly. We have to go soon for the show. Hurry up.
I want to go back to the jungle.
You will never go back to the jungle, okay? Never! Make me rich! Rich!
Don't be scared, Gabby Goat.
I've already thought of a solution.
Come, villagers of Dholakpur, a very warm welcome. I present to you something unique from the jungle, a miracle. Gabby Goat. Come here. Now tell me, who is more intelligent, you or me? Tell me.
Me?
No, I just said it's me.
Will she go on doing me? You told us that you will show us a miracle. Where is it?
Yes. Oh, yes. Now, friends, this goat will sing for you and dance as well. Hey, what are you doing? Let me go!
This is just an ordinary goat. It is not a talking or a dancing goat.
This is an ordinary goat. We will not trouble the poor thing anymore.
According to me, the people of Samridh city love watching good plays. I think you should do a nice play for them.
It's a brilliant suggestion. Kids, you should trust me. You are going to enjoy this play very much.